Today's our first look at the beginning of the LaVonne Kopecky Plambeck Early Childhood Education Center. Right behind me is where the state's most impressive and most innovative center for early childhood education and the excellence that will follow it will be. It's going to be a center for transforming the quality and number of early childhood educators for generations to come.
That influence is so critical to every child because it's their beginning, where their love, their drives, and their desires are all formed.
This building will take place where people are going to thrive. They're going to excel, and in years to come, caring and expert teachers are going to be produced here by the thousands and go out in every community. They're going to help children to learn and to grow. There is no higher calling.
The LaVonne Kopecky Plambeck Early Childhood Education Center will serve as a fitting tribute to LaVonne and to her work, and it's I think fitting that she knew that partnering with the University of Nebraska would be an opportunity to really bring her own philanthropic vision together with the priorities of the university.
She has made and will continue to make a profound difference in the lives of children.
I can't believe it. I never in my wildest dreams ever thought I'd be here doing this. It's fabulous.